The Indian purple frog, also known as pig-nosed frog, was first discovered in India in 2003. These frogs have small heads in comparison to their body length, bloated bodies with short stout limbs, and are dark purple to grayish in color. When these strange-looking frogs are born, they start out as tadpoles just like regular water frogs. The difference is that these tadpoles have the same trademark pig nose that hangs like a hook off their faces. Scientists believe these strange features developed as a result of living their entire lives underground, as they only come out for 2 to 3 weeks during the monsoon season to mate. During those 2 weeks, the frogs only have enough time to find a mate and breed before they have to retreat back underground, never to be seen again. During the mating season, the males sing loudly to attract females, and the volume of their siren song gets louder as the rain increases. The Malagasy leaf-nosed snake has a strange nasal appendage that is pointy in males and leaf-like in females. These arboreal snakes from Madagascar rest in the trees with their snouts hanging down from branches resembling vines. They are largely sit and wait predators, as they actively sway with the wind and are still during periods of calm, promoting the camouflage. When they sight their prey, which consists of frogs and lizards from this position, they ambush it. Researchers are not entirely sure, however, if their snout serves to camouflage them from predators or the snake's prey, or if the snout's shape has another purpose. The snake's venom can cause severe pain in humans if bitten, but is not deadly. Native to Madagascar, Ieys are the world's largest nocturnal primates that have a very unusual build with large eyes and ears, primate-like body, and rodent-like teeth. Researchers originally thought Ieys were rodents because of their constantly growing incisors, while some even classified them as squirrels due to their toes, hair coloring, and tail. However, studies have shown that they are more closely related to lemurs. They can grow up to 2 feet long and weigh around 4 pounds. They use their teeth for tearing into trees to get to grubs and insect larvae, and their teeth are strong enough to chew through cinder blocks. They also have a special thin middle finger which they use to tap on branches, as they use echolocation signals to search for wood-boring grubs and then to hook and pull them out. The finger is unique in the animal kingdom because it has a ball and socket joint, giving it a wide range of motion for reaching prey or scooping out food. With golden plumage sitting on top of their head like ears, a tiny hidden beak, and big round eyes, the great-eared Nightjar looks like a little baby dragon out of a fantasy movie. They are found in South Asia and parts of Southeast Asia and are known for their distinct calls and unusual habit of incubating eggs on the forest floor. Ranging in size from 12 to 16 inches, They are masters of disguise as their color provides them with the perfect camouflage needed for nesting on the ground. They are also excellent flyers and are active at dusk and at night. The sea pig is a species of sea cucumber that lives in deep ocean bottoms, specifically in the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Ocean at depths of over 3,000 feet. Unlike most sea cucumbers, which have stumpy tube feet tucked beneath their bodies, sea pigs have 5 to 7 pairs of long tube-like feet extending from their body. They use their feet not only for locomotion but also to suspend their bodies above the ocean floor and possibly respiration. The tube-like structures found on their top are also feet as opposed to antennae, and it's not sure whether these upper tube feet are used in locomotion or used as sensory accessories. They are deposit feeders and feed on sediments found on the surface of the ocean floor that have fallen from the surface. To search for fresh and better quality food, sea pigs have been observed to face in a certain direction, which is normally against the ocean current. Sea pigs are one of the most commonly sighted animals on the deep sea floor, and huge groups have been spotted feasting near sunken whale carcasses. They are also frequently seen with juvenile king crabs climbing or hiding under them, possibly as a way for the young crabs to protect themselves from predators. A Trikuana is a type of Sicilian, which is a group of limbless serpentine amphibian that resembles a snake in appearance but have rings like those of earthworms. They are found in Brazil in the Madeira River, the largest tributary of the Amazon River. Originally discovered in the 1800s, the animal was rediscovered while draining a portion of the Madeira River in 2011. Other individuals have also been found near the mouth of the Amazon River more than 15,000 miles away. Little else is known about the species, although it is thought to be aquatic and lack lungs, breathing through its skin instead. As a longless animal and with specimens found in the Madeira River, which is a warm, slow-flowing body of water, it is still a mystery how they breathe as warm water contains less oxygen. They feed on small fish, worms, and other aquatic invertebrates and are also the largest known Sicilians, growing more than 30 inches long. As is often the case with many birds, female long-wattled umbrella birds don't look like anything special. But the males are incredible, as they have significantly larger crest of black feathers on their heads. These feathers curve forward over their heads, resembling an umbrella. Additionally, a long wattle which can grow up to 14 inches long also hangs from their necks. The length of the wattle can be controlled, retracting or extending them as desired during flight or while sitting stationary. The wattles also serves to amplify their loud booming calls, which can be heard early in the morning and in the afternoon. While the birds can fly short distances, they are known to be clumsy flyers who spend most of their time hopping from tree to tree. They are generally solitary birds that only come together during mating seasons when males spread their crests and wattles and make loud sounds to attract females. They are found in the rainforests of Central and South America, where the birds have protected habitats where numbers are strong. However, deforestation in unprotected areas serves as a threat to their habitat and population density. Telescope fish are deep-sea fish found in tropical to subtropical waters worldwide. Because deep-sea fishes are difficult to study, not much is known about their abundance and population size. These fish have strange tubular eyes that protrude from their head like binoculars, which are adapted to see and seek prey in the dark. They participate in diel vertical migration, in which they migrate to the surface at night to feed before returning to depths to shelter during the day. They have highly extensile jaws, which is lined with sharp, slightly recurved and depressible teeth that extends well past their eyes. They also have distensible stomachs, so they are able to swallow prey larger than themselves, which is then folded in half to fit in their expandable stomach. This is also a common adaptation among many other species that live deep in the ocean.